Alright guys, very welcome all to the channel guys, and if you can remember the previous analysis that you have done in the previous videos, and exactly as you predicted, now we can see market goes up and goes down and consolidating, and the now market is running in this range area over here. Looks like market is trying to goes down. Well, before we continue the analysis today, if you are new to this channel and the video, I would recommend that just watch my previous analysis and videos so that you can learn and watch how we analyze the market from here to here, how we predicted that market would go down, would go up, so on like that. Well, let's get into the chart over here, right? So currently the market over here looks like market is consolidating and sellers are getting strong and building up. But this candle over here, I have some doubts. Well, let's switch into the 1 hour time frame for a get clear understanding about that one. You can see market broke through our line, this line over here, which is a strong key level that we marked over here in the previous analysis. Now the market is consolidating, but look at the chart over here. Buyers fail to break this line, this key level over here, right? Try to break the line, comes back. Try to break the line, comes back. And as well, remember that sellers also fail to break this line over here. So buyers and sellers currently is weak. Not only buyers, right? Sellers also weak and the buyers also weak. That's why this market is keep making sideways movements. And in the last couple of hours, sellers got a strong move and this line over here is broken. But still I believe that there's a possibility to create more market sideways move around this area. Even though this downtrend over here straightly goes down within 1 hour, this downtrend could be a fake market because there's a strong news coming up today for meeting. So if USD getting stronger, of course the Bitcoin should be goes down. But looking at this candle over here, looks like the market is already priced in for this news, right? So immediately when market news release in a couple of hours, market could create some market up move to this area and more market consolidations could be happen, right? So that's what we can see in the fundamentally. But in the price action, buyers and sellers are struggling. Still we are in this minor support line over here. After this strong candle over here, market is already consolidating. So we could be able to see, probably we could be able to see more market consolidations. And as soon as market news release, this meeting news release, there will be some strong up and down move, spike ups and crash down could be happen because of the market volatility. But according to the current market situation, this market consolidation could be happen. Well, let's have a look at the NASDAQ over here for a moment. You can see this strong resistance line over here. Buyers fail to break this line, try to break the line, comes back, push up and comes back with a strong move. Bitcoin also gone down because of this strong sellers down move. But when we're looking at the Bitcoin over here, I'm still waiting for this market sideways movement over here, right? And as well, let's have a look at the S&P 500 for a moment. And the S&P 500 also create some strong down move. You can see this market reversed from this strong line too, right? These are also strong. So you might be wondering that if you are new to this channel and the video, why I'm talking about S&P 500 is US indexes and NASDAQ US indexes. The reason is NASDAQ and S&P 500 has strong positive correlation with Bitcoins. That means when NASDAQ and S&P 500 goes down, yeah, Bitcoin also goes down. So we can analyze these markets too over here, right? So when looking at the chart, a strong down move is still sellers are strong. So we could be able to see more down move. And when looking at the Bitcoin in large scale over here in the whole market over here, right? Looks like sellers are building up their position for a strong down move. But before that strong down move happen, we could be able to some market up and down more consolidations like sideways movement, maybe even another market bull uptrend for a movement. But don't be get caught up for that bull market. Looks like even though if it's an uptrend could be happen, but don't be caught up that one. That could be just another market pullback for this main uptrend, right? If that happens, so currently I can say that this market sideways movement could be happen probably. And if sellers manage to break this area over here without making consolidations and sideways, so that we could be able to see another straight market down move at least to this area, which is a minor support line over here, and then market sideways again like a market channel over here. But the 60% of possible thing could happen this market sideways because of the strong firm news coming up. And also let's have a look at the currency strength meter for a moment over here. You can see the USD got strong and Bitcoin is very weak, right? This one also indicates that, yeah, Bitcoin also getting very weak and sellers are building up their positions. And as well, let's have a look at the strength chart over here. You can see Bitcoin is very deep, and as well USD is trying to break this Bitcoin chart over here. That means USD buyers are getting strong. The US dollar is getting strong. So that one also indicates that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market could be create a bearish move in a large scale, right? I'm saying that again, that's in a large scale. Before that main downtrend occurred, before that main downtrend appeared, you could be able to see, you will see more market upward and downward sideways movements, right? So keep in mind that. I'll see you again guys with another Bitcoin analyze. Just do subscribe to the channel guys if you find these videos are useful. I'll see you with another video.